We made it. I'm
Why are
glad
we
we did.
here again?
Alright, Rush, listen. I don't even remember when, I think a few months ago, Splatoon helped me unlock to my full potential. Now, I know you unlocked yours. I know you unlocked yours a long time ago, but that's not what this is about.
Look, can we make this fast? I got a train to take to GUN in like 10 minutes, so we gotta make this fast.
What are you going to GN? Oh, fuck, my bad. What are you going to GN for?
Look, they want me to ship a bunch of military equipment to their headquarters because they need it. And listen, the contract was $50,000, and, you know, I can't pass that up. I can't pass up a free check. I gotta get paid. So, despite the fact that I do not want to be associated with them, I'm just delivering them a bunch of military equipment.
Okay. Well, listen, I'm gonna teach you how to.
And besides, you don't know what else they could do.
Listen,
But anyway,
I'm gonna help you bring out your power. Now, I know you haven't really had much powers at all, but today we're gonna figure out what that is. And you keep telling me you don't have a power, but this is gonna prove you wrong. We're gonna find what power you really have.
Most of the time, it's just me manipulating energy. Whoa. What?
Oh yeah, it's like this. You gotta keep up.
What?
Oh shoot! I did not mean to do that. He's struggling. First time. I remember how I was whenever I was Splatoon here a few months ago.
Oh boy. What even is?
Here we go. And skirt. Oh. Here we are.
What are these?
Okay, so I kind of lie to you. We're not in a really much of a place. We're in our mental stability. You know what I mean? This is
mental stability. Wait.
Okay, so
are we in our Are we in my mind right now?
Yes, we're in our minds. Our minds are connected right now. We're in a telepathic link. Well, not a telepathic link, but like a mental link. It's meditation. It's something Splatoon taught me. It's how he got me in the first place. So yeah, we are in a mind.
Dimensional multiverse bullshit is this?
So yeah, we forget we meditate, but yeah, we do. So you see that yellow part over there? That's my mind. That's all my powers. That's everything I store.
What?
That's everything of my power now.
That sounds like a bunch of nonsense. What is this?
I'm not lying. But yours, well, yours is over there, bud. That's yours.
Over there. What do you mean mine's over here?
Now wait. Now I would try to open it because listen, the first time I looked in my mind, my portal wasn't unlocked, but that's because I had to train my mind by these other portals for my own power.
What?
I couldn't enter my own portal the first time I got here because my mind wasn't ready. Like I had to train in the other portals that our past our ancestors fought in, like in all these mine other portals. It's a lot. Splatoon.
Yeah, it kind of it.
So, do you want to train your mind for the other portals, or do you just want to try to access yours now?
Might as well try. Jammed shut. I can't get in.
Okay, yeah, we have to train you for the other mind. So what do you want to do? You want to train in my mind, or do you want to train in one of the more dangerous ones?
Nothing sounds more weird and strange than going in your mind. So
okay, well, this is all my.
Let's try the purple one first.
All right.
mind are we even in right now?
Some of these, they get shaken every once in a while, so this is just potential. Now, are you ready?
Potential. Ready for what?
You have to train your mind for your own portal, like how I did. So, 3,
Oh, yippee.
2, 1. You gotta be faster than that, Rush.
Come on.
That's what I thought. Come on, Rush. Access your mind.
Oh, I'm gonna access my mind, alright. Then I'm gonna crack yours open.
Alright. Whoa. Are you ready for the final clash? You did a good job. Let's try your mind portal again, or first action, I want to show you something.
Show me what?
I need to show you what I'm all about real quick.
Alright then.
Now be careful, it gets a little sparky.
I've handled worse. Hi! This is your mind?
This is all my power, actually.
So what happens if I just...
It's a little staticky, so I would just be careful.
Ah!
Yeah, not easy. And there is... You see that image forming? That's the sign. That's my sign for how this all works, actually. It's insane. Now, we gotta see what yours is all about.
I didn't even do much, nor did I even win that fight.
Now, Rush, I trust you not to tell anybody about this mental link trick. Because if anybody gets in there, like mentally in my brain, and destroys that, I'm kind of screwed.
Look, it's pretty pointless to tell anybody about this because it's kind of stupid.
Yeah. Alright.
I mean, what if I just knock down on the couch and this is just a dream?
Actually, you know what? How about you shut up and just get in your portal? Oh, wait. He actually went through. It works. Whoa.
What in the...
Whoa. It's kind of toasty and kind of cold. How do you manage that?
That's called lukewarm, dumbass.
Okay. But yeah, how did you even? Come on, buddy. What are you gonna do? Huh? What the heck? Wait, is that a flame? What the? That's your power?
What?
Now I figured it out. You got one of the rare ones. You got the icy hot fire. I don't know how to really explain that, but
Icy hot fire. That doesn't make any sense. It just looks like blue fire.
blue
Isn't that
flame,
like the
blue
hottest kind of
flame.
fire?
Your power is blue flame. I don't know how. That's rare as fuck. I haven't seen somebody with blue flame powers in a minute.
Wait, isn't that the ability to like completely manipulate the temperature of fire?
Yeah.
So like it can be icy.
Yours just
so, like,
happens
it
to
can
be
icy cold,
yours happens
really
to-
hot, or just lukewarm. Like I
Yeah,
said.
yours just happens to be the hottest version as well. Blue.
Wow.
And coldness as well.
Is that what it's been the entire time?
This is your power. You just unlocked this. I guess this is your power you've been forcing away, but this is your actual power.
Funny. From what you told me, this isn't anything what it was like originally.
No, not originally.
Has this really been something that's been hidden away from me this entire time?
You never cared to really train or mentally train. Not mentally. I know you train physically, but mentally, man, it's all comes from this.
Well, what's through here?
I don't. Yeah. What the hell?
Whoa.
Oh, that was some of your energy power left over.
Well, what's in here?
What? That would explain the energy you had months ago.
Months? Wait, do you mean from old me?
Yeah. Well, before you died.
Is this the leftover energy from old
I don't know, man. I haven't seen this.
me? This doesn't really give much of an explanation, though, because old me's meant to be dead. What the?
Your power's weird. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this is insane, man.
Whoa. What the?
Oh my. Okay, we're getting lost in your mint. What the heck?
What?
You see, we dove too deep into your mental consciousness, and now we're somewhere lost in your energy.
But
tubes.
that's impossible. That's impossible because old me's meant to be dead. So how is this even possible?
I mean, did you ever lose energy power?
Well, no. I don't think I did.
Oh. Okay, watch out for that guy. Just follow me.
Okay, don't necessarily trust him, but... Whoa.
Alright. Well, we figured out what your real power is. Fire's so cold that it burns. Icy hot fire. Can't lie, this is pretty good. Pretty good. Blue flames.
Well, I mean, at least I can control it at
A little bit.
a comfortable
We just
temperature.
gotta learn how to manifest it. So, do you know how to get back here again? Mentally, meditation. Because you could get here by yourself if you really think hard.
Think hard about what, though?
Think about how we got in here. We crossed our legs, sat on the carpet, and we meditated, right? We breathe in, we just enter our mind, you know? Our mental link.
You mean
Like,
just sit
our
there on
link
the
to our
floor?
powers.
You mean just sit there on the carpet, crisscross, and then just make that very obnoxious
No, not like that.
voice
Not
for
like that.
5
Just
minutes?
like sit there in silence and just try to just think of nothing. Think of nothing but just and feel like the powers in your body. Sit there and just breathe and feel the powers in your body. Then out of nowhere, white flash, and we're here. That's how we got here in the first place.
That's not actually a bad idea.
Yeah, but yours not telling what's going on the outside, right? On the outside world right now. So I still we enter out this meditation. And
Please.
trying to train you physically how to manifest your power.
Although you're probably gonna have to slap me to get me out of this.
No. We're gonna get out the same way we did.
Okay.